Yo gogo ibandlo tech fula la inyiko athuzeli ukuzocula la fokol stress ithi lakta phana cash loku popul fresh niggas ngakayina next mara so cool nsika blind and unkhohlul that's why in randa speaker grind.
Is it doing the countdown thing?
Yeah, it's already done. It's 2 minutes.
Okay, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Scum Talk. To everyone that has been subscribing, all people that had subscribed, we would like to say thank you and continue to enroll those subscriptions because they are the ones that help us, that give us the motivation to do it, to keep on sitting here. You feel what I'm saying? I'm your host again, Poppy, with the one and only Salty. Of course, we are busy planning huge events now, but today we're gonna talk about something that has been on people's mouths, lips, TV, everywhere. The stories are not alleged today. Okay, Salty.
Is it?
Yeah. So today it's not alleged. It's something that we know. It's something that's happening.
So when I wrote today, you're not using the word alleged.
I'm not using the word alleged because it is what's happening. Come out. That's true.
Hey, sanibonani dumelang abusheni. Hello, this is me, your man Salty. Welcome to Scum Talk podcast. Whatever. Kenako ela. Es ospopa chilore. Kitima mole moteng. Leave your phones, leave your friends. Batwela ko strateng or no. Salty and Poppy. Ba Thomas Canto Scamto says ke ba qoqi ba ko qwa. Anyway, sit back, relax, ubele rona nna le Poppy kajeko he re qamta. And remember, uspopore no kajeko is not alleged.
Allegedly. But hey, today the main thing that literally
it's like when I it's not alleged.
No, it's not alleged. I did my research, I sat down, I watched the news, I listened to morning lives. Correct. It's concerning. Bafetho, taxi industry. The taxi industry. We know what's happening. We know about the incident in Mapunya Mall. We know what happened to Kamokatlehong. We know what's happening in Soweto, Jersey, everywhere. Taxis are now attacking Uber drivers and people that have the family cars. Why is that a thing now?
But it sounds like Batetoela Lebona.
No.
I think I saw a post that said I saw the quantum penny later on that night saying my taxi or taxi. Actually, Keboni quantum and then an hour later, Keboni, these Uber drivers, they were having a meeting and saying, you know what, we're not afraid of these people, what. But I never knew the story already. There was Itomile guy until I saw a guy, which it's so sad. It's
very sad.
I saw a guy, a picture of a human being inside a car burning.
Yes.
I saw that thing and I was like, what's happening? Actually?
Exactly.
But when you call me and say, watch the news, hey, this is what's happening, hey, and then that's when I ran.
Yes.
Okay,
so here's the story. You remember back in those around 2014 when the Uber and Bolt industry was starting to pick up and everything, So the story now is Uber and Bolt are taking customers. But it's my choice. If you grocery energy, I'm going to the Uber because you don't drop go gating. Whereas a taxi, you can share a stop. And obviously, for example, let's say I stay alone, right? And a grocery energy. Who's gonna help me from the street?
No one's going to help.
No one's gonna help me.
Instead of helping you about Charapo.
Exactly.
They rob you and stuff.
Exactly. Understand. Sharp, there may be mishaps got both drivers with rape cases and killings and everything and kidnappings. You understand? Yeah, they're not minor, they're major. But for a person to actually burn somebody and burn their property, now that's something else.
Wait, I feel, with sometimes I would say Stories should be stories. I understand. I'd say the person who died, may his soul rest in peace.
And it's not just
and
him.
Condolences to his families. This thing maybe started as a small thing, it became huge because now the whole South Africa, they are fighting now.
We are in war.
So my question is that, Poppy, I've read the story, ne? I understand what's happening. So was there any witness who saw what happened?
Okay. So here's the story. I actually pulled it up on the King Sowetan newspaper. Wait, laptop ya teka le ne ke re wait.
Ke moteka-teko.
Ke moteka-teko.
Akere ba batlo subscribe.
A batlo subscribe ke kgona reka.
Abanya ko viewer.
Ke kgona reka ntho.
Ba re keng Apple what?
Yes, MacBook. Kgona reka MacBook.
Subscribe bana.
Ke kgona reka MacBook.
Poppy a tlo thola MacBook and so on. Wa bona?
Yo. So you know what happens, right? Okay, let's get back to the basics.
Yeah.
Taxi industry, the percentage of people they carry, it's more than 70%. Because within that 70%, there are people who have cars. Besides the 70%, there are people who have cars. There are people who prefer private driving than being in a public space.
Claustrophobia.
Claustrophobia.
Yeah.
So they can't be in a packed space for a very long time.
Like I do.
You understand?
Like I do.
So this one, it's called the business. Maponya Mall. Okay. On the 13th August 2025 at Maponya Mall in Soweto, an e-hailing driver was shot dead and his car was set lit. Another vehicle was torched, and the next morning the residents blocked the road in protest. You understand? So the police are missing in action when this happens. Compared with the Cape Town, where about 2 years ago the city towed taxis that blocked roads and fined owners heavily. You understand? So basically, the witnesses, but Baba Boning, the pictures and send it kind of on Facebook and Twitter and everywhere.
So is there any story, a witness saying something? Me, as Salty, I saw this guy came with a gun, did that, shoot this one.
No.
Ask him,
why?
Why you tata bantu bethu? You know, because you know I would say that. Okay. I had the same situation. Not I had. One of my friends, I won't talk about it, but you know, the Pepereza, they talk too much.
Yeah.
So I'd say the truth, because if Lilimi, you know, the tongue is powerful.
A lot.
A tongue, everything
that you say with the tongue, it's even there in the Bible. It's bound to happen.
It's bound to happen.
Understand?
If you want someone to die, you talk about him maybe 2-3 months or a year.
Ago,
then maybe that thing might happen.
Yeah.
So because what I'm trying to say is that people who talk too much, people who say things they don't know, it causes a huge thing or a problem, because it's possible that maybe there are enemies from somewhere. You understand?
Possibly.
Or I'm not saying that, but it's possible. It's possible. Possibilities are there, because we don't truly know the truth. But what we know is that the taxi driver fought with the Uber driver. It's obviously because they once had a war before.
But
so that'll be an obvious thing, that a taxi driver wins and so on and so. So what if they were enemies? What if they fought a tavern the day before? Let me just say that. A day before. Then I'm asking myself, I'm asking, is there any witness that said to the newspaper, mina ngimbonile, they were fighting for our customer,
yes, they were fighting for our customer. Do you know?
But I'm asking, is there any witness now?
No, there is no witness.
So why if maybe they are fought, it's personal fight, maybe it's their fight?
No.
But the difference is that law, it takes a driver, law, it's an Uber driver.
Okay, let me say, maybe there is a witness, maybe there is a witness or people that were in a taxi witnessed it, right? But have you ever seen mutata for what nami bengkhona ngibonile yonke into ukuthi kuqale kuphoqina kuphi?
No,
Like,
yes,
have you seen someone do that?
No, they can't because
Bayasaba now.
Bayasaba, but now no one. As I read the story, there's no eyewitness who said I've witnessed this
happening.
And
Yeah,
they were fighting over a taxi or
an
customer.
Uber. Yeah.
Because now the person who died, now he's the one who knows the story. Nalo ombulalile. Or he ran away, but we don't know. It's possible. I'm not saying it's not true or what. I don't know. You understand? But I might say, Guti, it's possible Guti Nilo now, and then after 2 days you get me. When we're differently good to drive Uber mina and drive it takes.
Or maybe
then if I fight you, they say yeah, it's a taxi war against. It's possible.
Or maybe they're fighting because Uber drivers have matric certificates.
Maybe things like that. It's possible. Or maybe they're fighting over a check. They were fighting over in Tombazana. Maybe Cherry request Uber, boyfriend takhe taxi driver, lo wathi uyangihlanyela. Umfazi wami uyaphi nomfazi wami urequestile lo wathi ngizokushaya lo but not over a customer. We don't know.
We don't know what actually started to. We just know the taxi industry now. It's
hearsay. The hearsays. It's a war. Yama Uber and taxi. We don't know.
And now, I think now, the taxi industry is taking advantage of what happened in Mapunya Mall. You understand?
Okay.
Because now, I'm checking this taxi association. The association of the taxi.
Be different. It's the location or Gauteng be different lo no na le Kempton Park ba ibitsa some kana le ko kai ke eng
mara ke sa something yona ye.
No, it's something. It's something to do.
So now the taxi association, now here's what pissed me off literally. They say they are not going to allow a family car to have more than 3 people inside.
No, it can't be like that.
Trust me.
They can't do that. I bought the car with my own
and for my family.
Listen, I bought that car with my own money.
Yes.
Understand? And I bought that car. I have a big family. So now I'm not trying to control my life. No, it's impossible.
So that's what they're saying. That's why you remember the link that I've sent you. Let me pull this out. Chris XL, literally. I was talking about young Chris. Chris doesn't have a. If you want to know what's happening in South Africa, go to Chris XL. You get funny, bad, sad.
Who's Chris, man?
Chrissy. You got to like Chrissy le mama. Let me keep quiet because that I'm sure.
But I think Chris was once a journalist.
Yeah.
Na ile pepiereza. Yeah. O ka tsebe ditaba tse tsohle.
What did say about?
Yeah, no, I think maybe he was once a journalist or a editor or something. Or a serious.
Okay. Let me go back to this. You remember until just now we were talking about taxi industry saying they don't want FME. Now here, paging at Chris XL, it says 4 taxi drivers have been arrested after kicking a family of 3 out of their own car and taking it. The family fought for their car. Their car was stolen, so they called the car tracker company. The tracker company quickly found the car and shot 2 taxi drivers in the legs and held them until the police arrived. All 4 drivers are now under arrest and could face up to 15 years in prison. Hence
I'm saying, if it's the truth that the taxi driver is saying, now I buy my car, I don't have to own a meter. So if I have a family of 6, because of Bona,
yes,
who are they?
Yes.
Like my question is
they forget.
Who are they? Even though Toyota is selling bigger cars, I've got a big family. Like, okay, for an example, no offense. Let me just say I'm dating or my mother is sick. Understand? And it's a personal ring, wheelchair. So Kereka an SUV It's a bigger car.
Mm.
I'm with my kids, my wife, my 2 kids, my wife, and my uncle and my mother at the back because vele utsamaka wheelchair. The wheelchair needs to be there.
At the
Now
back.
it's 5-6 people.
Mhm.
Sanse ke lwana le taxi driver. They never help
They
me.
don't
They
think.
don't work with me.
They
You
don't
understand?
think.
They don't help me to buy that car. They don't pay.
Exactly.
They don't pay my taxes. They don't pay my anything. Who are they?
Exactly.
So that's my question. So if it's like that, if it's the truth, it's like that, then it's nah, we can never run by them.
We can never. And no Jenanang, yesterday I saw a video, and no Jenanang, they're going for even buses. How's an busing? And I'm like, why? Why are they doing this?
You know, I saw, sorry, thanks to say that there was an earlier on, I think we must play that clip. Okay, but it's fine. There's one of, let me just tell you. One of the kings from Limpopo, I think they are fighting over a land.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? So these people,
Yeah.
you know, the party Cope.
Mm-hmm.
So they had a meeting. They held a meeting in Limpopo somewhere. So now here is a chief. One of the, you know, go Limpopo. We've got kings, a lot of kings, chiefs. Yeah. So one of the chiefs, Bamunta Abu, he was saying to the Cope and the government.
Mm-hmm.
He said to them, "You guys, you don't know what you are doing."
Mm-hmm.
He's talking about the government. You know, you see here, I'm the chief.
True.
You see that land? He's got the big land.
Mm.
Like, I don't know how many hectares. It's like we can build 2 locations.
Yeah.
Because the land is from his forefathers. You know how it goes.
Dates back now.
So he said to them, "You came to me. You asked for a land.
Mm.
I gave you a piece of a land.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Now you want more, and that's my land."
Yeah.
He was talking about, I think it was in Parliament. That chief, that king, or the chief, I'll search for you. It's one of the chiefs as well. You want, you know, in our language, I give you small, you want the whole hand.
You want the whole hand.
So that's what the chief is trying to say. So it's like, now you are government, now you are Cope, you are fighting amongst yourself. You want to put us,
my own land.
Yeah, you want to put us in your fights. Now I gave you a small land. You want the whole land. And I'm a chief. These are my kids. And you are also my kids because I'm a king. You understand?
True.
So let me tell you one thing. You are afraid of Zulu kings.
Yes.
Like, to be honest, he said, you, the government, all the South African government, you are afraid of the Zulu kings. You are afraid of the Zulu kings, the KZN. You want to control other kings like chiefs and what in the Popos and wherever. Mm. So I don't understand, why do you quietly respect Zulu kings more than we do?
Yes.
Because now you can see in the taxi industry, you respect them. He tells those government people, those stuff, what. He was angry that, and everyone was like, you know how EFF.
Yes, then.
So it comes back. It reminds me of his story.
Yeah.
When you're saying the taxi drivers are saying we're not allowed to. I mean, if
the question is, who are they to tell us what to do? They take up 70% of South African transport. Sooner or later, the aeroplane. I'm telling you, sooner or later.
Or they say you don't have to buy your own car.
Exactly.
No, we can't let that.
We can't live like
it's
this.
It's unfair. If it's the truth, whether they said we can't have. No, it's not right.
It's wrong.
No, it's not right, because now we'll be living under their rules.
Yes.
No, and we've got the government. So why do we need the government if we are living under the
government? Government sold us out.
You think so?
It sold us out. If you go to trading, South Africa is not a country, guys. It's a business deal. It's a business deal. Now, whatever Mkhwanazi is doing right now, Baba mina high five. Not high five, high 10.
High 10 on high heart. So it's really unfair. If it's the truth, it's really unfair. So we can't be having people. I can't be buying a car. So now I must buy a 2-door car.
You must buy a Corvette.
Nah, they must buy it for me.
If
If they're like that, buy everyone. If it's like that, it's the truth. They must buy everyone in South Africa
my question
so that they pay and everything.
Okay, here's the thing. Julius Krenali Land Reform Act, right? Why is it only taking place in places like Limpopo? Why is it taking place in places like the Free State? Why is
Joburg,
in Joburg?
Why not in KZN?
Why not in KZN? Let's try that. Do
you think EFF Leon yabathaba? Malema popi a ro tshaba amazulu.
Malema ake hani o brave mfana ka ne. Yeah,
Mara I've never seen this this thing as saying a land
reform act must take place in KZN.
Yeah, never. It's less. Why?
Never.
Why? Do you think what's up?
I'm gonna stand on it. I'm standing on business right now.
So it's a problem, Mus. It's a challenge, Mus.
No, guys. We are at war and we are fighting amongst ourselves. Instead of us building each other, we are destroying each other.
We can't.
I'm
not saying rain or we can't, because now as myself, now I've seen our country. Our country we can't be one.
True.
If you quietly remember there was an advertisement Simunye, we are one. After this elections, Mandela 1994, they said Simunye, we are one. Can't we are one ela? Railway to kill each other. Because now we are killing each other and it's not very nice.
Now.
And you know what, ne? They are just sitting and smiling. Some other people are just sitting and smiling. So we can't do that. We can't be doing that. You understand? Why? Okay. Why? Where do I get the liver to kill you?
Like honestly,
that plaque or no, let me just ban you. And I see you are like me. You're a human being.
I'm a human being.
Let me just say human being.
For you to take umphefumulo wamuntu, where does that come from? Are you God when?
Hence I'm saying I'm afraid of umuntu. If umuntu can be able to do that, because if I quietly remember, no matter what color,
are they arrested?
No matter what color
you are.
Our blood is red. No one has blue blood. You understand? Our pee, the pee we pee, it's only in 2 or 3 colors, yellow, light, or white, or whatever. But the same pee. The air we breathe.
Into one.
The toilet we go to, the things we take out.
It's
with the same. Sorry, you understand? Whether you are pink, yellow, whatever.
Nah.
The blood is red for everyone. No one has a blue blood.
Yes.
So why?
Now my question is, Tine, what is Ramaphosa doing? Because he wakes up with a desk full of reports of what's going on in the country. He's just chilling, uchitsi, drinking tea and mimosas. Mimosa, Ramaphosa.
Allegedly, Barry Ramaphosa no mimosa.
He's drinking mimosas. That's an inside joke.
No, so it's no.
It's very sad.
It's draining. It's sad because now I ran away from a taxi. It's a worry. If I can tell you the truth, can I meet a taxi last day December? I think I had like 12 years I might as well, if those times I had friends who had cars. Understand? I might as well have money, pour them a petrol, escort me, come back. Understand? This is what I'm afraid of. Things like that.
It's not nice.
If truly we say they respect us, they must take care of us.
Literally.
Understand? Because if they say we are the one who's bringing bread on top of their table, they must respect.
Pela, if Husoti, 90% of the population of South Africa buys cars, taxi industry goes out of business. We are their bosses. We, regardless, hey, mina, ukajenu unkashilo ukuthi ngimshayela imoto, kumbi, what's going on? As long as I'm going to keep him, I'm your boss, bruh.
Yeah,
and then you have no right to
you have
tell
to
me.
respect me. Yeah,
You have no right.
Yazi, don't get me wrong, people. Ne? I don't mind taxis. It's business. It brings bread on top of
people's tables.
But when it comes to business, as we say, even if I have people who's renting my place, you understand, my house, I need to nenga them.
Yes.
You know, I need to beg. You understand? Because the 500 they giving me, it pays my kids' school fees.
Yes, it makes a difference.
So I believe, Uguti, if quietly they say, or you don't respect us as your clients or customers, then it's wrong. It's wrong. You need to respect us. The R1 you get, it brings bread on top of your kids' table. So let's just work. It's so easy, Poppy. We can. It's hand on hand. We are
exactly.
You know, you give me something, I take you where you want to go.
Yes.
You understand? You be happy. I drop you at work, you give me.
You understand? And then one more thing that I feel like it's about time we address right now. I feel like it's about time. Because as much as they are balwele umzila and everything, let's talk about the condition of their cars. Are they roadworthy? Let's talk about the condition of the taxi. And not just any taxis, the Super 16. Let's talk about them. As much as she said, Pella, I can choose Bolt.
So that means we're not kwatile shem, ukwatetse ba di-taxi.
I'm not gonna lie. You have no right to ban somebody. You have no right to destroy somebody's property. You have no right to amohanto, the community, their right of passage to the next destination. Is their right. I have a right of free movement. I have a will of free movement. No matter how I take it. You understand? So no chenanka tsamaka pere. Kareke bolt yaka. But to tunza pere yaka.
Yeah.
Right. They will kill my horse.
And eat it.
You know how expensive the horse is.
So no. Yeah, I know it's another day to the story to tell. So, but anyways, we understand it, guys. Mzansi, it's ours, and please let's respect Mzansi. From now on, block her. Guys, please let's work. Let us seven this engines. And from me, Salty, Mitini.
Bye.
Let's enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Love you.
Control, smack features up left and right like a console. Flex rhymes and not see a dime, not the console. Most cats dig just how I kick it. I'm infinity, more cash spending something different. Niggas used to so clap, chill, now it's business, so I'm here to take the whole stash. This just the beginning. Boys, listen, I've been gone, but all I hear's the same shit. Not missing, I've been on, and all it took was patience. Irene kokota me fulele.